Hi, in this video, I'll share my first impression of the Kindle Scribe, its setup process, and its basic functions. This video is for those who are considering to purchase the Kindle Scribe, as well as those who have just received the device and want to know how to set it up and start using it. The Kindle Scribe comes in this simple hassle-free packaging. I got the 32 gig version with the premium pen. Just pull the tab here to open. There's the Kindle Scribe with a protective cover, the premium pen, and the USB-A to USB-C cable. And there are extra pen tips as well. Now let's power it on by pressing the button on the side. Choose the language. Select the region. I was pleasantly surprised that it recognized who I was by my Amazon profile used to make the purchase. It even logged the device into my Wi-Fi automatically. It does give us the option though to use a different account if you want. I'm just going to choose next. Then it prompts us to download the latest updates. For me, this process took about 5 minutes. Then it prompts if you want to sign up for Google Reads using the Amazon login, which I accepted. Then it prompts for the Kindle Unlimited free trial for 4 months. Sure, why not? Then it prompts for the Audible free trial. And at this point, I was starting to get a little annoyed, so I declined. And there you go, the device is now set up. So let's create our first note. I'll select Notebooks from the menu bar at the bottom. Then click on the plus sign and choose Create New Notebook. Here you can give your notebook a name and choose an appropriate template. By default, the selection is on the pen tool so you can start writing. The second tool here is a highlighter so we can highlight parts of the sentence. The third option is eraser, but if you have the premium pen as I do here, we can just flip the pen around and use the eraser tip instead. The last tool is the pointer, which you can use to flip to the next page or the previous page. If the toolbar is getting in the way of your notes, you can minimize it. And if you want to move it to the right side of the screen, you can hit these 3 dots and move it over. Tap the top portion of the screen with your finger or with the pointer selected, and it'll bring up the page menu. You can access your Kindle settings here, or you can delete the current note page. You can share the note page as a PDF, either with yourself or with others. Up to 5 people. You can change the page template if you like and choose whether the cover thumbnail should show the first page of the notebook or the current page. One important thing that I forgot to mention earlier is that you can change the thickness of your pen and your highlighter by clicking on the pen tool while it's already selected or clicking on the highlighter tool while it's already selected. To annotate a Kindle book, start from the library, open up a book, expand the tool palette, choose the sticky note, and select the place where you want to add your note. You can add handwritten or text note, but I think the whole point of having a scribe is so that you can write. So let's write. We have the same set of tools like highlighting and erasing. And if you want to view your note, just click on the sticky note icon. You can also open the page menu and select the same icon from there, which will display all your annotations. If you want to delete the annotation, you can click to open it first, then choose the 3 dots, then delete. If you want to annotate PDF, you'll first need to get the file into your Kindle. One way you can do this is to email the PDF to your Kindle account. Go to More, then Your Account, and at the bottom you can see your default email address. Your email address here is likely going to be difficult to remember with lots of random letters and numbers. You can customize this by going to your Amazon My Kindle page. After you email the PDF, you'll get an email message prompting you to verify your request. Click on it, open your preferred browser, then you'll get the confirmation. If you wait a minute or two, then the PDF should appear in your library. Unlike annotation in a Kindle book, you can actually mark up the document directly on the page, which is nice. So here's my take on the Kindle Scribe. If you're just looking for a simple, basic replacement for your physical notebook, I think this does a great job. I mean, the writing experience is phenomenal. Even compared to my iPad Pro with the paper-like film cover over it, the writing is so much smoother on this device. However, the note-taking application, it's so basic. It's truly just a digital replacement of a physical notebook. You can't draw smart shapes. You can't convert handwriting to text, which limits the search capability. You can't zoom into an area. You can't select an object and move it around the page. There's a lot of limitation. Things that we're really used to in using applications like Evernote, OneNote, even Notability, Notion. I mean, those are advanced note-taking tools that we're all used to. So if you're just looking for a simple note-taking tool, then this is perfect for it. Anything beyond that, I think you'll be disappointed. Well, anyway, so this is my first look at the Kindle Scribe device. I will continue to use this device for the next few weeks and circle back to you on any updates that I find. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye now.